Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome students. This video tutorial is how to take the English exam on Blackboard. So remember, you'll be going to the university and take the exam in the computer labs. Your teacher will send you the schedule and the time and the lab number that you would need to go to take the exam. So when you go to the lab, go to your computer, enter your username and password from Blackboard, the same username and password that you use when you log in to go to your teacher's class. طيب, so اسم المستخدم وكلمة المرور. Alright, you enter that and then click here. Then you will get this screen. So there are two ways to go to your exam. You can go on top here next to your name, click the arrow here, and then you'll find اختبار اللغة الإنجليزية. And remember, there's going to be multiple. Some people are going to be AMM, some going to be AMF, some going to be BMM, CMM, DMM. Okay, you will just see one. So here for this student, he is in slot C. And slot A will be A, slot B will be B, slot C is C, and slot D will be D. Alright, so depending on the time of the exam. But you will find يعني CMM here, okay, or اختبار لغة إنجليزية. Or if you go down to my courses, you will find here اختبار اللغة الإنجليزية, okay. You don't go to your section, not مهارات, لا. No, not مهارة اللغة الإنجليزية. You need to go to اختبار اللغة الإنجليزية and then click here. And then you go to الاختبارات here. الاختبارات. And then you will find the اختبار here once the exam is ready, inshallah. On the day of the exam, you will find the اختبارات. Alright? So this is how you go to the exam. Again, you either click here, or you go under the classes and you find الاختبارات here, and you will find your exam. Okay? And the teacher or the proctor will give you the password during the exam to enter. Okay? So that's enough for this tutorial. Thank you for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.